Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm about to spill the tea on a cleaning gadget that literally changed my life. And listen, if you've ever fought the endless battle of dog hair, muddy paw prints, kids running wild, or just the constant mess of daily life, you're going to want to stick with me for the next few minutes, because the Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop is not just another robot rolling around your house. No, honey. This thing is like having a tiny cleaning army that never complains, never asks for coffee breaks, and actually gets the job done. And yes, I dropped the link in the description and the first comment because I know some of you are already Googling. Stay with me though, because you'll want to hear the good, the bad, and the oh my gosh, did it just pick up that? So let me set the scene. I used to own an older Roborock, and I honestly thought nothing could beat it. I also tried one of those fancy microfiber roller robots I picked up in China, and I kept it around thinking the new S5V could never compete. Spoiler alert, I was wrong. Dead wrong. This little beauty has 1200 pascals of suction power. 7,000. Compare that to the 4,000 I had before, and you all understand why I literally gasped the first time it cleared an entire pile of golden retriever fur in one pass. Pet owners, are you listening? This is not your average, maybe I'll pick up a crumb or two robot. This thing eats pet hair for breakfast. Now let's talk about the mop. Because honestly, I was so skeptical. I've returned at least 2 so-called vacuum and mop combos that were basically dragging a damp tissue across my floor. Yeah, no thanks. But this Roborock Qrevo S5V, it's got rotating mop heads that actually scrub. I mean, they won't replace a deep clean after a party where your uncle spills spaghetti sauce, but for everyday maintenance, like muddy paw prints in the kitchen. Oh girl, it is chef's kiss. I usually set it to do 2 passes and my tile floors actually shine. And here's a fun one, the self-emptying feature. I swear this thing is like the Mary Poppins bag of vacuums. I expected to empty it weekly, but even with 2 shedding dogs, daily use, and my chaotic lifestyle, the bag didn't fill up for over 2 months. I pulled it out and thought, wow, that's horrifying, but also kind of impressive. And yes, you can even buy washable and reusable bags if you're into saving a little cash and being eco-friendly. Of course, no product is perfect, right? If I could wave a magic wand, I'd add a dedicated spot clean button. You can trick it with the zone cleaning option, but sometimes I just want a quick fix after my kids decide the living room is their sandbox. And while we're being picky, the mop heads could use a little upgrade. They're not bad, but if they were denser, with more fibers, they could handle crusty spots without me pre-treating. Still, for what it does right, I can totally forgive it. And let's not forget the brains of the operation. The mapping on this Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop is ridiculously smart. Unlike some older models that crash into your furniture like drunken toddlers, this one glides around with the grace of a ballerina. It avoids edges, never yeets itself off a step, and even recognizes pet bowls and beds if you set them in the app. Yes, the app is powerful. You can schedule, customize, and even add cleaning solutions to the water tank for that extra sparkle. If you're wondering about battery life, this queen can handle a 2,600 square foot house without begging for a recharge. Hardwood, tile, rugs, even my Persian carpets, it transitions seamlessly. I can't promise it'll deep clean shag carpet from the 70s, but honestly, who even has that anymore? So here's the bottom line. If you've been burned by disappointing robot vacuums before, I feel you. I was there, but this one, she's different. She's powerful, efficient, and surprisingly elegant for a cleaning machine. If you've got pets, kids, or just want to stop vacuuming like it's 1999, you need to check her out. Again, link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. Trust me, once you have the Roborock Qrevo S5V robot vacuum and mop in your house, you'll wonder how you ever lived without her.